Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at LogoBuilder. Just before we jump in, this will be an honest review video, not a hype, promo, or sales video. I am, in fact, I think for the most part, not going to recommend this product for most of you, but it's going to be a little bit more complex than that, so check out the rest of the video. If you do want to look at this product for yourself, there will be a link to the sales page in the description down below. If you do purchase the product through my link, I do receive a commission. I do like commissions, but my goal is to provide you with truthful and honest reviews about new and upcoming affiliate marketing products. So this is LogoBuilder. LogoBuilder is an online software suite that is going to help you to create your own logos in a hurry. So if you need a logo for a website or a product or for a project or for really anything, and yes, presumably you could use this to set up your own business, doing freelance logo design work, then this software is designed to let you do that. Now, a few things I don't like to start with, and again, we are looking at the sales page. The first is the sales page. I hate this sales page. It's massive, and we are going to see very little of substance through this. There's going to be a lot of hype and a lot of generic sales copy. So we've got the 1, 2, 3 that we're used to seeing, just choose, edit, download, and profit. We've got lots of stuff talking about how great it is to make a career or make money from designing logos, lots of examples of people selling design services, lots of examples of frustrations and questions you might have, and talking about how LogoBuilder obviously is the answer to all of these things. Now, what will you get with this? Well, we're going to see a couple of different shots like this. It is cloud-based, which means you don't need to download anything. Basically, you'll get a link, you follow the link, and that will take you in. You finish creating your account, and you go. It's beginner friendly. I have no doubt of this. This does not look like complicated software. Commercial license included, okay, which means that you can sell what you're creating with the product. Choose from a variety of done-for-you logo templates. Now, the upside and the downside of this, the upside is that it's going to make it very quick. You don't need to have a lot of artistic skill because you're going to be drawing from a pool of logo templates and logo, basically what we used to call clip art type images. The downside is that you're going to see the same templates as anybody else using this software, and you are going to be limited in the variety that's going to come in done for you. That said, you can edit it, so that's not really a huge deal. We just saw the 1, 2, 3. Okay, and basically we're just going to run down. You can check out all the sales copy for yourself if you want. Most of it is pretty vapid. We do have some good examples here. This to me is one of the best things on the sales page because it's giving us examples of what you can do. I've certainly seen images similar to some of these before, but I think these are all at least fairly unique, and again, they look nice, they look professional. I don't have any issues with this at all. I think if you're able to quickly go and make your own little logo that's going to fit your project, whether it's for you or someone else, then that is very handy. This again is a meaningless shot. We looked at I can't remember what I reviewed a few days ago that actually showed a full page screenshot, including the account and where funds were moving from. That is one of, if not the only time I've ever seen a meaningful income snapshot. This one doesn't tell us much. It doesn't even tell us over what period this revenue was made. It just tells us that we know that this is a Fiverr screenshot or a clip from a Fiverr screenshot. It does give us a few little details over here, but it really doesn't fill in a lot of stuff for us. This could have been done over 10 years. we would have no way of knowing that, right? So let's go down a little bit further. We're almost on the sales page. I don't think this needs to be a long video. We do want to jump over and look at a few things on the JV page briefly. So we've got some price comparisons here. We're going to look and see why this is not necessarily entirely truthful. There's going to be some upsells to this, and they're not the sort of upsells that I typically like. So what you get with the product, from my perspective, the best thing you're going to get is the content. It's not the program itself. The program itself, honestly, to me, doesn't look like it does any more than Canva, and you can use Canva for free. What this does is it's giving you royalty-free. You're getting 30 million images here. You're getting a pile of stock videos. The system could be handy. I don't know. I haven't watched this video. My guess is that this is basically going to be how to set up an account and market on Fiverr and Freelancer and other sites like that. 1.5 million fonts, 10 million design elements. The design elements, the fonts, the videos, and the images are really what's worthwhile in this package, as far as I'm concerned. Again, you can learn to use Canva in about 35 seconds. It is some of the easiest online software I think I've ever used, and you can make your own designs, and you can even make all kinds of images for other people. But if you're not an artist, you're going to have a hard time coming up with the actual image portion of the logo. You know, this little bit right here, you know, we like, it's anybody can play with fonts, but not anyone can actually go and design the picture, the logo itself. So the upfront on this, $17, is not bad. 30-day money-back guarantee from Rudy Rudra. Now, I don't have any personal grudges, or I don't have any personal relationship with Rudy one way or the other. He has had some products that have been released that have not fared well review-wise. I'm not going to bother taking a look at that right now. Make sure that you that you take the time to familiarize yourself with any of the fine print. Read through the FAQs yourself. And I'm just going to jump back up here for a second, and we're going to jump over to the JV page. So I mentioned that there are some one-time offers and upsells. Here's the front end at $17. First upsell is an unlimited. Now, my guess is that the limited portion is probably going to limit the number of creations you can make on this. I don't know that for sure, but as a rule, anytime there's an unlimited version, there's something severely hampering the front end on purpose. So it could be the number of campaigns you can create, or the number of different images or logos you can make. I don't know. But what always bugs me with this stuff is that you're going to get, you're buying this with the intention of thinking, hey, I can set up a business with this. You can't set up a business if you can only make 3 images. All right, that's going to be a very limited run on Fiverr. Even if you make $1,000 per image, you're limiting yourself to $3,000 with this. Okay, so very, very limited. Again, I don't know exactly what the limits are going to be, but the fact that this is here for pretty much twice the price of the front end gives me some initial hesitation. The Pro, I'm guessing Pro and Exclusive, and again, there's no information on this. I really like when vendors put out products and they give their JVs the opportunity to read through and see what comes with the upsells. So to just see Pro and Exclusive, Reseller is going to almost certainly give you the right to market LogoBuilder as your own and to resell the software. Pro and Exclusive, I am guessing, are probably going to give you more content. Again, I don't know that for a fact. That's my guess. That's what I would expect to see. This is, again, predominantly, this is a content pack. If we look at what you're getting, actually, this really even isn't all that good. at showing you. But again, the content we looked at up here, there we go. And these are the bonuses that come with it. That to me is the high value aspect of the entire product. Now, the other thing I don't like is there is a demo video over here on the JV page. I really like to see good demo videos on the sales page. And this doesn't really, it kind of shows a little bit. I don't really want to play this per se, but we might jump around and look at a couple of different little spots. It's basically just going to show some small changes being made to color, and I don't think we ever actually even see the predominant image change there. So again, I've seen better demo videos. I think this could have been done a lot better, and I would really like to see it on the sales page so that you, the prospective buyers, can watch it and understand what you're getting into. But you can see, we can full size this for a second. We can see we've got logos, we've got typography, layout, and colors. This is not a complicated bit of software at all. So again, you can, what you're really getting from my perspective is training and the content. So for those reasons, again, I don't think this may well be for some of you if you're willing to put in the extra money to come away with everything so that you're able to do this as a business or do a lot of this. If you're just looking to design a single piece for yourself, there's almost certainly cheaper and easier ways to do this. I think the end product looks okay. I don't think it's overly ritzy or anything like that, but these are professional looking logos. They would look fine on a business card or in your online content someplace. So I don't think the product is bad, but I think it could have been released. I don't like how it's being released, and I don't like all of the all of the restrictions that I think are going to come built into this. So again, it's kind of my usual gripes with a lot of products of this nature, a lot of online software stuff. Check out the sales page. Go through this. This could be something that's going to be perfect for you. But if you're just looking to get something for yourself to do, you know, you want to make a bunch of ongoing logos, I would probably give a pass on this. If you want to invest heavily, it's probably going to do you fairly well. So that is my review on LogoBuilder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the links down below, and we'll see you guys back here again soon.